Delicious homemade creamy fruit cake recipe. Hello everyone, welcome back to Multi-Recipes and COOKERIES channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a delightful homemade creamy fruit cake. It's a perfect dessert for any occasion. Let's dive into the ingredients. Here's what you'll need for our creamy fruit cake. 2 cups all-purpose flour. 1 cup granulated sugar. 1 cup unsalted butter, softened. 4 eggs. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/2 cup milk. Assorted fresh fruits, such as strawberries, kiwi, mango, and grapes, for topping. 1 cup heavy cream. 1/4 cup powdered sugar. 1 teaspoon lemon zest. Now that we have our ingredients ready, let's move on to the preparations. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour a round cake pan. Step 2. In a large mixing bowl, cream together the softened butter and granulated sugar until it's light and fluffy. Step 3. Add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Then, stir in the vanilla extract. Step 4. In a separate bowl, sift together the all-purpose flour, baking powder, and salt. Step 5. Gradually add the dry ingredients into the wet mixture, alternating with the milk. Mix until just combined. Step 6. Pour the batter into the prepared cake pan and smooth the top with a spatula. Step 7. Bake the cake in the preheated oven for 30–35 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. While the cake is baking, let's prepare the creamy fruit topping. Step 8. In a mixing bowl, whip the heavy cream until soft peaks form. Then, add the powdered sugar and lemon zest, continuing to whip until stiff peaks form. Step 9. Once the cake is baked and cooled, spread the whipped cream over the top. Step 10. Decorate the cake with assorted fresh fruits on top of the creamy layer. And there you have it. A gorgeous and delicious homemade creamy fruit cake ready to be served. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe our Multi-Recipes and COOKERIES channel and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Share your thoughts and any modifications you made in the comments below. See you in the next video. Happy baking! Thank you very much, delicious homemade creamy fruit cake lovers.